What's going on? 𝐏𝐸Rett here, back with another powerful affiliate marketing training. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a secret website you can use to get 1,000 people a day for free rushing to your affiliate links so you can start to make up to $247 a day like total clockwork. Not only that though, I'm actually going to reveal how you can set up a totally free website very easily, even if you're not technical, so you can dramatically increase the amount of sales you make with this method. Now see, a lot of people are going out there, they're trying to do affiliate marketing by promoting products, but they're actually struggling because they're missing a few key pieces. So before I dive into the crux of this method, I first want to break down an overview of how to properly do affiliate marketing, because I see a lot of people actually go wrong when they want to make a lot of money online. So what I want to do right now is I want to hop on a whiteboard and I want to actually visually break down the pieces we need to have. And then as you keep watching this video, I'm going to break down every single step. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and predictably and easily generate income. Okay, so you can see right here that this is the typical process people use when they want to do affiliate marketing. Okay, so first they try to generate traffic. Okay, and if you don't know what traffic is, it's basically just getting visitors or clicks to a website. Now this is good, okay, and you want to be generating traffic. You want to be either posting on Instagram or posting, Pinterest, or creating videos on TikTok, which is very powerful right now. We want to be generating traffic, okay? So that's good. If you're currently doing that, or you've been watching my other videos revealing top strategies to do that, that's great and you're on the right track. But the problem is most people take all this traffic and they send it right to an affiliate sales page. Now this is a problem, and it's a major problem because on average, only about 1 out of 100 people are gonna buy the product you're promoting right away. So you're actually leaving 99% of the money on the table and you're missing out on tons of income that you could be easily making. So what is the solution, right? What are we gonna do instead? Well, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to use this process here. Now, if this seems complicated or overwhelming, bear with me through this video because I'm going to break it down step by simple step so you can go out there with confidence and get the results you want. Okay, so we're still going to be taking this traffic. We're going to be using Instagram, Pinterest, but what we're going to do is we're going to send them actually first to a page that's called an opt-in page, or a squeeze page is another name for it. Okay, now we're going to be sending people to this page. Now why? The reason is, rather than sending them right to the sales page here, we're going to actually be able to capture our leads, our prospects' email address, which will add them to our email list. And then what we can do is we can actually have these follow-up emails going out one day at a time, sending people back to the sales page. And after about 7 exposures, okay, on average, people will decide to buy if they're interested. So this will dramatically increase our conversions, dramatically increase our income just by adding this page here. Now, a lot of people don't know how to create an opt-in page. They don't know how to do it for free. I'm actually going to share with you a free resource you can use and exactly how to do it. And then I'm going to share with you also how to find a high converting product to promote, and then even how to get 1,000 people a day for free going to that opt-in page so you can start to get a massive amount of sales. Now, before I continue, if this is making sense and you're excited to learn how to put this process in place, be sure to smash the like button to let me know. And also, last but not least, I have a free training video down below. A lot of people were asking me what affiliate program I actually promote myself. I'll include a link directly below so you can check that out while it's still available. But without further ado, the next step is we need to find a high converting product to promote. Now, there's a lot of places you can go. You can go to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, the link directly below, but I'm going to use ClickBank in this video. Okay, so you just got to go to clickbank.com. Click this start here button if you don't have an account. It's totally free to join, takes just a few minutes. Or if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Now, once you're in your back office, you want to go to the top and click Marketplace, and you want to have a look at all these different categories. Okay, now you can choose really any category for this method, but I highly recommend you choose either health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, or self-help. Okay, these are the categories that tend to do the best over a long period of time, so you can set yourself up for massive profits for months, if not years to come. Okay, so for this video, we're gonna do e-business, e-marketing. Click that there, and then we want to sort results by gravity. This is basically going to list the best selling products at the top. We just have to choose one of them that also has an average dollar per conversion. That's a decent amount, so we make our efforts worthwhile, and we can start to rake in at least $247 a day, okay? So we can look here, and really all of these work, but because this one has the best gravity, okay, right here, and it has an average dollar per conversion of $32, which is not bad. That means every single sale you'll make on average about that much. I'm gonna go ahead and promote this product here, and then you just wanna click promote, okay? Now generate hop link there, and then we wanna save our affiliate link right here. Now I can go ahead and take a look in the next tab to see what the sales page actually looks like, because we're going to be using this in a second. Okay, so we can see right here that it looks pretty good, and this is what we want to take note of. Now the next step is we need to actually create that capture page, that opt-in page, and put it before this page so we can collect people's emails and start to follow up with them to make even more sales. So the free website most people don't know about is called system.io. Okay, so you can actually go to this website here and you can click get started for free, and then you just go through the very simple process to create a free account. Now you have access to up to 2,000 contacts before you have to actually pay. Okay, so you can generate 200 leads, make a lot of money doing this method, and then you can go ahead and upgrade if you want, or find another option, okay? But this will get you going. So go ahead, get started for free. Now, once we're inside of our back office, we wanna go up to menu, and then we wanna click funnels. Now, once we're there, we wanna click create right here. Okay, we just wanna click right there, and then we just wanna hit create, okay? Now, this will create our funnel. Now, they have all these different templates that you can actually choose from. I typically like to keep it simple and just do, one like this. So we can go ahead and hit select. And now all we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and edit this and make it look good. Okay, go ahead and click there to edit the page. Okay, now once we're on here, we just wanna clean this up a little bit. We can delete this words right here. We can delete this right here. And it's very drag and drop. Now we can delete all of this because this doesn't really pertain to the product we're promoting. So we just want to clean up all this if they have any stuff at the bottom. Okay, so now we just want to edit the text right here and make it relate to the product sales page that we're actually promoting. Okay, so if we go back here, we can go ahead and take a look at the profile here, the sales page. And what we want to do is we want to actually copy the text on the sales page. Okay, so if it has any text right there, we can just use that for our headline here, just to make it very simple. And then you can go ahead and erase that. And then for this, we can edit the text there. Okay, so we can say right here, we can go ahead and put in click here for more info, and we can go ahead and make that bigger just to make it look pretty good like that. We can go ahead and save changes at the top, and then what we want to do is click this button, and we want to actually change what that does. Okay, so we want to go up here and we want to add a form input, okay, just like that there, and we want to drag it down to under the headline, okay, like this. And now what happens is people will put their email in, and now we can redirect them to our sales page. Okay, so click this button here, and then all we want to do is change the action when button click, and then we want to actually do send form, and then we want to do to a custom URL. Okay, so this is going to redirect people to our sales page. When we go back to our link here, grab your affiliate link that goes with the product you're promoting, go back here, paste that in as the redirection URL, and then you can go ahead and save that again. And then I can go ahead and preview what this is going to look like. So it has the box for their email. They'll put their email in if they're interested. And then when they click here for more info, it will redirect them to our affiliate sales page here. So again, like I said, what that's going to do is that's going to add them to an email list, and then we can go ahead and follow up with them through automated emails, sending people back to the sales page to increase our conversions and the income we're making. So now the last step is once we have our free opt-in page set up, it's redirecting to our high converting affiliate product that we're promoting. The last step is we need to go to that secret website so we can start getting up to 1,000 people a day going to our opt-in page, and we can start to make some incredible amount of money. Okay, so what is the secret website? Well, the secret website is Hercules.com. So just go there, and you can go ahead and go to the top, click sign up, and then you just put in your email, and then you will actually get a confirmation in your email inbox that you have to click, and then you can have an account. Okay, then once you actually create an account, just go ahead and log in, and that's going to take you to your back office. The part that we're actually interested in is the ad mailer. So go ahead and click that link right there, and it's going to take you to the page where we can send out an ad, one per day, that will go out to 1,000 people. Okay, so we just want to continue to add mailers. And then once we're on this page, we want to ignore all of this and go down to regular mailer. And you can see right here, it says free members can send an ad daily to 1,000 random members with this mailer. You can see right here, this is where we would put our subject line. This is the piece of text that people will actually see when they see our ad. We want to put our test URL, which will be our opt-in page, and then our body. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to actually go to our squeeze page here, and we want to go and get our link. Okay, so I can exit there. Okay, and this is the URL that I want to copy, and then I just want to go back here and put it in the test URL right there. Now, for you being an incredibly valuable subscriber to this channel, I want to share with you a link to tons of free copy paste ads you can actually use, so as my gift to you. Okay, so the link's going to be directly below in the description, and this will take you to this page here. First off, they have all these different headlines. Okay, so you can actually choose, any of these. Go ahead and copy this and put it in as the subject line there. Then you can go to the ad body section, and I can go ahead and click there, and then I can paste that in as the ad body, and then I can just hit submit ad. Now what that will do is that will post to 1,000 people. You can see right here, ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. And again, you can do that once per day. So set a certain time every single day that you're going to be consistent. Go in there, copy and paste one of the ads from the link directly below, and then you can get 1,000 people a day flooding to your opt-in page, which will ultimately lead to your affiliate link, and you can start making $247 or more every single day. So there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to smash the like button below. That's the only way I know you actually enjoy my videos and you want me to make more just like this. Also, subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting weekly videos. You do not want to miss them. If you don't hit that bell icon, you won't get notified. Anyway, my friend, I really hope you got value, and I look forward to seeing you on my next training video.